Hi guys, this episode we're down at Scenic Rim Adventure Park.
Whoa! Back through, yeah, go round it a bit more.
Going. Whoa. Oh my god, that stick's like a metre. We've been meaning to get over here for a while now. It's been here for years and we're so close to this place. It's only what?
Hour and a half from Brisbane on Gold Coast. Not too far at all.
Yeah.
$55 for the day for your vehicle.
Yeah.
We won't have time to camp tonight. We've got to go to a birthday, but
Yeah, we've
nice
got a 50th.
camping.
It's getting to that point.
They've got a map here as well, so you can sort of look where there is very detailed actually. Green is easy, blue is harder, and black is extreme.
Yeah.
When it's wet, obviously harder again. Right, let's go hit some tracks.
All right, let's do it.
Right, we got Olivia's Lane. See how this one goes. Bit off camber. Gunner's match. Hang on, I gotta get in front. What are you getting stuck on that rock? There's a rock right in front of your wheel. Hang on. Yeah. Someone's lost a mud flat. Don't go. Go that way. Keep turning, you've got to get in that little gully bit.
That was pretty rocky.
That was a cool track.
That gave me a bit of a test. I was like, oh no.
How'd Gunner go, kids?
Good. But also, can you...
Got stuck on a few rocks. Alright, this spot looks a bit boggy at the start. Pretty slippery up there. See how he goes. So there's nice campsites scattered all over the park. Little signs everywhere, very organised. They've all got different names. Flat grassy areas and some are close to toilet blocks. There's toilet blocks scattered everywhere as well. Look at this campsite. What a view. Be nice on a sunny morning.
Are you worried that Mummy's not going to make it?
No, you told me that one right there.
What do you reckon, Elise?
No, we're not doing that one.
We're not doing
No,
it.
I'm walking, I'm getting out.
Why are you getting? Why are you getting out?
Because, wait, which one is it? That one?
That one? No, we'll go that
How
one.
about you take your shoes off and walk it?
Which one?
There's something in the middle of
Are
it.
you getting out because you're scared Mum's not going to make it?
No, I'm talking
I thought Lisa can have a drive and everyone wants to get out because they don't trust her driving. She's not that bad. She did Little Red like one go. First try. What'd you say?
I wonder how deep that one is.
They're not doing it.
Go give it a spin.
I'm not doing it. If we do it,
I reckon we can make it.
Get a big stick. Wait, and it sinks too, but over here it goes.
Oh my god, that stick's like a meter. Pull it out. Yeah, so that's about a meter deep. So we're not doing that. That'll swallow those 38s like they're nothing. Oh my god. That stick's...
Bye bye.
That
It
stick...
could still go down.
Hang on. Oh my god. Okay, so that stick's about 1200 high and it's completely, yeah. Wow. No deal. Alright, we're gonna see if Lisa can do this big flexi section. Just driving straight through it. What do we got? Do we have the flex?
We're on a tip.
Let me get
We're on a tip. Emily's like, let me get out. Let me get out. Can I go forwards?
Nah, you're as low as you're gonna get now. Just go forward slowly. Let's see what this has got. Alright, Emily's got out. She doesn't trust Mum.
Alright, we're on a hell lean. Kids are all leaning right. We got this.
Now we're gonna tip the other way. Are you serious?
Crazy lane.
You kind of made that look a bit too easy, to be honest.
That was crazy. Alright, we just got this rutted out bit. See how he goes? Hopefully no panel damage.
You're on camera. Be cute. Be cuter. We're not going to tip. I'm going to go up the wall. We're going to go
What
around
the
it.
hell? That's even more like tipping.
Nah, bro. This is going to be
Yeah,
all
bloke.
good. We're going to go straight up like that. Oh, look at that. Whoa, hang on.
Back through, yeah, go round it a bit more. Oh, you're coming out of it, alright.
Oh, Jesus. I tell you what, flex makes it really smooth.
Alright, we've found a little bit of a playpen area in the back corner of the park. We'll try this little bit.
Is this old lady guiding me? I can't see anything. Whoa, we're just going. We're going. Whoa. We need reduction gears. I keep on saying we need reduction gears, but I keep on not doing it.
Easy done. This is another campsite. This one's 10A. This is at the very back corner of the property. And on a nice sunny day, it's a bit rainy today, I think an awesome view out here. Found this little log cottage. Very cute. Back when times were simple, council didn't want all your money to build something.
No snakes in there.
Oh, cool. Fireplace.
Jesus.
That's cute. Be nice and warm with the fire. And then down the path a little bit, we need to come down to the crapper. The privacy. Need to go to the toilet, Elise?
No, I already did.
This is a nice little spot. Fig tree campground. It's be nice and cool in summer, down low and shady. Rock 1. See where this takes us. Looks like a pretty cool rock step. Rock 2. All right, let's see where this takes us. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. Very rocky. See how he goes. Looks rocky, eh? Bit bouldery?
Bit bouldery. You reckon?
I don't know, give it a try, see how you go.
Fine reduction gears. This is the kind of thing that's just, I just don't have the low enough gears. I'll get up that. I'll ride the wall and but with reduction gears, it's too hard for the part.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Can we give it a try?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Another good day out.
Yeah, awesome day. Come check it out if you haven't already. Down here at Scenic Rim Adventure Park.
Nice and close to home, so yeah, it was pretty good.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
See you then.